Hi there, we have question 13b from NECTA 2015 past paper. We're given a rectangular box and we've been asked to find the length of AC. Okay, so that length. First thing before you do anything, make sure you label all the length that you're given. WA is 3 centimeters. AB is 9 centimeters, BC is 12 centimeters, and we've been asked to find AC. Let's go to I. I'm going to draw this triangle out here. So is this triangle here? It's a rectangular box, which means this angle here is 90 degrees. So this is C, this is B, A. Okay, so 9 centimeters here, 12 centimeters here, and this is what we need to find. The right angle triangle is a straightforward Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so if you know, AC squared equals to AB squared plus BC squared. Okay, so AB is 9 and BC is 12. So 9 squared is 81 plus 144. This gives you 225. That means AC is the square root of 225, which is 15 centimeters. Okay, now let's go to II. We've been asked to find the angle between WC, which is over there, and AC. We now know what AC is. So the sampling, I'm going to draw the triangle over here. Again, that corner, this is vertical and against the base, so that means this is going to be 90 degrees there. So A, W, C. Okay, we know what AC is over here. That's 15 centimeters. And we know what WA over here, that's 3 centimeters, and we need to find the angle between WC and AC, which is this one here. Right, is obviously a trig question because we are involved with finding angles. Okay, what trig will give you opposite and adjacent? This one here. Okay, so it's tan. So tan x equals 3 over 15, which is equal to 1 over 5 and equal to 0.2. So x is equal to tan inverse 0.2. Please use the mathematical tables as required by your examining board. I am using a calculator because I don't have the mathematical tables. Okay, so x is equal to then 11.31 degrees. Okay, this question is now complete. Bye now.